He's going again. He's having a blast.
I want to do that.
Oh.
We should ask for a ride.
Watch these two trucks hit each other.
We should have asked him for a ride. That looks like fun.
I'm not getting in the car with some stranger. Well, he's having fun. They're having a blast. They'll probably come back down. Is he gonna come back? Oh my goodness. Yeah, they are having a blast. You wanna ride down through?
Yeah.
All right.
I can get through there, but if it gets too deep, I don't know.
Don't go through it, just stay up on the road.
Well, yeah. I don't want somebody to see it.
Everyone's turning around. All right, guys, we're gonna go down through here. We're gonna stay up out of the water though. Turn the wipers on. Oh, the window's all messed up. All right, so right here, guys. It's gotta go slow through this because we don't know what's. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my gosh, we are crazy. We are totally crazy.
Oh wow.
Keep pushing the gas. Do not let off the gas.
Yes, ma'am.
The water goes up your tailpipe. We're stalling. Oh wow.
Whoa.
Oh, watch that truck that might be coming. Don't let off the gas. Yeah, I don't know if this was
cool.
a great idea though. Oh my gosh. I think this was a terrible idea. Keep pushing on it. Oh my gosh. I am so nervous. Wow.
This is fun.
I am so nervous. Follow that truck. Oh my goodness. Oh Lord.
Can we go again? Can we go again?
Oh wow.
That was awesome.
A little scary. I would like to stand up out of the sunroof with that, but then I don't want to get wet. But we should open that.
You might be okay.
This kind of reminds me of Jenkins Creek.
Oh wow.
It's flooded all up in here.
What's that up there?
Like a boat dock or something. See this, you know what this reminds me of? Wait a minute.
Boardwalk closed.
Wait a minute. I've been here.
You've been here?
Pull over here. This is where you go see the manatees.
Oh.
I knew this looked familiar. This is where you go see the manatees. Oh wow. Okay, so the boardwalk is closed. Now we got the window all yucky. So I'm gonna try to put you guys out the window. But you know what that's gonna do? You could have went all the way around. Where are you going?
Go through the water.
No, not that. You can't go through that water.
Not that. Where that guy is. I'm gonna stop and let him go.
All right, guys. Here we go. Back out. This is the place. Is that your car?
It's my tire.
Oh no.
It's okay.
This is the place that I've been kayaking. This is the place that I took Tanya and them. I was out here yesterday, you guys, filming for you. Watch all this debris. Now remember, once you get in the water, don't let off the gas. Don't go fast, but don't let off the gas.
Done, people.
Don't turn too sharp. Oh my God. Do you even know where the road is?
Yeah.
Oh my Lord.
This is fun.
Slow down. Back up. Stop for a minute. Let him get out because you can't let off the gas. Oh, this. Oh my God. Don't hit us, guys. Don't hit us. Don't hit us. Don't hit us. Did you get wet?
Yeah.
All right. Once you go, remember what I said.
Okay. I'm
All
gonna
right.
get this out. I got enough. Are you ready? This is pretty fun.
The left-hand side. This side. I would go straight down and get out of this. Go this way. Okay. We made it! Yay! We made it! Holy cow!
That was fun. Can I do it?
Oh, you're gonna hit holes.
Can I do it? That was fun.
Oh my gosh. Alright guys, we are back at Jenkins Creek. Those guys are on the other side and they are tearing it up. We're gonna go over there. Hopefully they stay. Hopefully they're still there when we get over that bridge.
We're probably gonna stay over there because the water that was over there receded.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. All right, here they go. The car sounds bad.
The wheel.
What's going on?
That's what mine was doing.
Oh my gosh. Oh Lord. They're having fun. Oh my gosh, they're having fun. So to hope they don't come through and get us. They're like, it's time to have some fun. Let's do something cool.
You gotta admit, that was really fun.
We met these guys here earlier today. And they were flying through this. Oh no, did their car die? They were flying through this on the other side. Sounds like they might have died. No.
I think I jumped.
Oh no. I hope they didn't tear their truck up having fun. Down in here, guys, is where the manatees was.
Fun's over.
And I know it's closed off, but it would be so cool to see the manatees. I wonder where the manatees go in a hurricane. You know, I wonder if they have like little underground things that they go in. Look at the water down in here. This little section's closed off, but I mean, we can walk back a little ways. We just can't walk back real far. Oh, it doesn't look like we'll get back at all. Oh no, are they good? Maybe they just had to check the oil.
He was over there yelling, I don't know. You'll get a good view of the, oh.
How many of you guys would like to have some fun like that? Hopefully they go up that lane and then come back down towards us. They are, yay. They're gonna probably get us soaking wet. Here we go. I don't want to get drenched. I don't want to get drenched, but this is gonna be good. Yeah, it wasn't gonna get us drenched, but here they come again. Oh my goodness.
These guys are gonna do it too.
Here they come. Everybody's doing it now. Oh my gosh. That is so funny. It's like the demolition derby.
This is so cool.
They got stuck. The other guy will pull him out. Oh no.
Oh shit.
They'll pull him out.
They gotta get
oh.
You can do it!
Oh no.
That sucks.
They need a rope. They need a chain. Oh, no.
Too deep.
Oh, no. Got a chain?
Shit.
Well, darn. The fun ended quickly.
For a little bit.
But they've been having fun for hours, guys. Hopefully he can get this dude pulled out. Oh, we'll go watch it all.
It didn't look like it was that deep.
That's why you don't ride through water, because you don't know. The other guys need to jump in the back.
Oh no. At least they had a chain.
Yep. They got a chain. All the little kids crying. What did she get? There it goes. Oh, wow. Well, they're out. Yay. They made it.
We're getting a good show.
Yep. Demolition Derby.
This is better than Demolition Derby.
So the show is going to start back up here, guys. Just a few minutes.
That kid's probably having the time of their life.
That kid's scared. Back up.
You won't get wet. I'll feel both of them.
I wanted to. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, I thought that was a cop. Oh my gosh.
Can we go again?
They're having some fun. You guys are getting a free show.
They're all having fun.
Don't do it. Oh no. 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 Oh my gosh. Oh no.
Oh shit, they don't have a chain either.
Well, the other dude does.
He left.
Oh no.
Can you do it? Come on!
Oh no. That sucks.
If they can get up over that grass, they might be able to get out.
Oh, they're coming backwards. Nope. They went in the same spot, not knowing.
No.
Oh, they need that other guy with the chain.
He left.
Well. Oh, they're gonna get themselves out. Oh, thank goodness.
You got it!
He was stuck. Good job! Oh my goodness. You did it! The other guy got stuck and had to be chained out.
Don't go through that part.
Oh my gosh. Well guys, what a show. Alright guys, what do you think of the show? Free show. Sounds like the Demolition Derby. They're having a good time. I think that other dude's coming back. Free show for you guys.
If I ever get a cut, you know what I'll be doing after a hurricane.
Oh, he's trying to get us. He's trying to get us wet.
You can give me what? I don't care. Go for it, dude.
You having fun?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Austin.
Austin.
Duke.
Duke. Thanks for the show.
You're welcome.
Look up Marie's Life Vlogs on YouTube.
Okay.
That was awesome.
All right, guys. Free show for you guys. I might have got some new subscribers. They want to see their little joyride on video. So I don't know who they are. So I have, you know, I don't know who they are. We just met them today. But they're having fun and we're filming. There they go. All right. Peace, guys. Love ya.